Hi, my name is Rodrigo, and in this video I will do a quick unboxing of this clamp kit that I just bought in Lidl today. I bought it in where I'm at right now in Spain. It cost me 12 euros 99 cents, so almost 13 euros. It's 16 pieces, as you can see. It has all these bits included. It's Italian and Spanish because that's where I got it from, Spain. Here's the back. You have in English. If you want to read, you can just press pause and you can read it out. And here. So let's go ahead and open this. I'm doing this one-handed, so it might be a little bit awkward to do. So let's try and do it best we can. Okay. That's fine. Didn't want to have to do this, but oh well. Cool. The case itself, pretty heavy duty. It's not cheap. Doesn't feel cheap. Has here good clamps. Let's go ahead and open. Okay, there it is. Let's see. Yeah, that's a strong spring right there. Yeah, normally I do enjoy buying tools in Lidl because they do tend to be good quality for a good price. This is a magnetic base. For example, if I put this here, I guess, I'm not sure. I have to read the instructions. Yeah, that's a strong magnet. Yeah, sorry, there. It's a strong magnet over there. Okay, cool. I have two of these. This one's pretty stuck in there. Cool, that's pretty much it. Open some more, get everything out. Maybe not. That one's pretty much stuck in there. Cool. And these big ones, also very, oh, this one's a bit easier to open. Cool. There we have it, the unboxing of the clamp set from Lidl. 13 euros. That's it. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it.